Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name is Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this fantastic Audi A3 1.6 TDI S Line Sportback. Now this vehicle is currently on 45,917 miles and it's finished in the colour Scuba Blue. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. And now let's take a look around the vehicle here, starting at the front. You will find your very stylish bi-xenon headlights with the LED daytime running lights there. You have your chrome detailing there surrounding your black front grille. Here round to the side you'll find your 18-inch alloy wheels, your S-Line badging there on the side, your indicator integrated into the door mirror. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside to the rear of the vehicle. You do have your gorgeous part leather interior with the nice cloth in the centre. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured and for peace of mind. And overall you do have a very nice amount of space here for rear passengers to travel comfortably, and even the added bonus of the rear air conditioning vents there along with a 12-volt socket for rear passengers to charge devices up. Here around to the rear now you'll find your A3 TDI badge in there on the tailgate. Open up the boot now. You will find a very nice amount of boot space. You do have your adjustable boot floor making it super practical. You'll find heaps of additional storage and a spare wheel underneath your boot floor, which is a very handy touch to have. You've got some net storage there to the left as well, and tethering points so you can tiny loads down if you need to, if you don't want things moving around freely. Up top you will find your handle allowing you to easily close the tailgate. And moving around now, let's take a look inside here up front. You do have your leather multifunction S-Line branded flat bottom steering wheel. Nice metal trim across the dashboard and in the doors. The S-Line badging is embossed into the leather here on the seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You even have the adjustable armrest in the centre console as well. Now that we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Audi A3 has to offer. And hopping in, starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments that include heating. With the heating, you can quickly defrost or demist the mirrors so you can see clearly to the rear. Very convenient feature to have when it's frosty or it's raining. You do have your full electric windows along with your child lock buttons for either side of the rear doors there. Here on the dashboard, you will find your automatic headlight switch. So when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. You can be sure the road will be well lit wherever necessary. You do have your front and rear fog lamps as well. You do have your rain sensing wipers, which will automatically adjust depending on how heavy the rain is. You've got your volume controls here to the right of the steering wheel. Here on the left, you'll find your controls for your instrument cluster display here. You can see all of your trip information on there, even access additional menus as well, including your audio, phone, and a compass for the navigation. You can even access a digital speedometer on the system as well. Here to the left, you have your indicator stalk. Underneath this, you will find your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys, as it means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, allowing you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. It's extremely ideal if you're frequently on the motorway. Moving on now, heading to your dashboard. Up at the top, you do have your infotainment screen there. You will find the controls for it here in the center console. You have your main dial and your shortcut toggles to access your different menus. You've got your DAB radio here. With your DAB, you've got nice clear audio quality as it's digital. So if you love listening to the radio, you can enjoy it nice and clearly. And it's very easy to find and tune your favorite stations into the vehicle with your station list there. Alternatively, you can connect your own source of audio. You've got your Audi Music interface, your Bluetooth audio, even SD input as well. You have your navigation here so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's very nice, clear, easy to follow guidance with the nice vibrant coloured display. Using the scroller in the centre console, you can change the view, zooming in and out. You do have your Bluetooth telephone menu here where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, keeping you up to date with whatever you need to and ensuring you don't miss any important phone calls while you're driving. It's very easy to pair your device up here. Moving on, you do have your vehicle menu where you've got access to your Audi Drive Select with efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual, which change how the vehicle performs and handles, so you can enhance your driving experience through this. With the individual mode as well, you can set up your own preferences to the engine and steering with options of comfort, auto and dynamic, so the vehicle will perform and handle specifically how you want it to. You can also access some additional vehicle settings in here. You do have your exterior lighting, central locking. You also have your button on the steering wheel you can set up to do something specific that you wish it to do. You also have your driver assist features. You do have your speed warning where you can set up a speed limit that the vehicle will then alert you if you start to exceed. Very handy touch to have to ensure you don't go over the speed limit. You You do have your parking aid here. You do have rear parking sensors, which will give you audible guidance on how close you are to objects at the rear. Very convenient feature to have, especially when manoeuvring around town, such as parallel parking. You've got your rest recommendation there, which will alert you when to take a break when you've been driving for a long period of time. You can also turn the rain sensors on and off there for the wipers. Down below here, you will find your hazard lighting, your start-stop system, as well as your traction control. There's a button as well for hiding the infotainment screen. You can hide it away if you wish to have a more minimalistic look on the dashboard. You also have your shortcut button for quickly adjusting the drive select mode. Below here you do have your dual zone climate control that allows the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices for their side of the vehicle, preventing any arguments on being too hot or too cold. Super easy to use. You've got your climate display there with all of your information. You even have an automatic feature as well, which automatically adjusts the climate control on your behalf. Down below you'll find 12-volt sockets and 2 cup holders, your 6-speed manual gear selector there in the centre. Thanks for watching this video on the Audi A3 1.6 TDI S Line Sportback. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.